We are going to be using ConvertKit, now known as Kits, to create a landing page for lead generation. And we're going to be using Canva to create a landing page where we're going to sell a digital product. If you want to build a lead generation machine for your online business, having a landing page isn't just important, it's everything. A landing page is the backbone of your entire system. It tells people exactly what action you want them to take, whether you're selling a product, offering a service, a free training, whatever. It's where your audience lands and either take the next step or just bye, wave you goodbye. A landing page is the blueprint for how you grab attention, guide engagement, and drive conversion. Without it, you're just throwing spaghetti on the wall. Sorry, I think I'm hungry. But with a killer landing page, you create a funnel that turns visitors into customers, paying customers. So before I show you how, before we get into the juicy stuff, what are the use cases of landing pages? Because you'd be like, that's a landing page. Okay, so what can I use it for? Number one, selling a product, selling a service, a lead generation. You can also use a landing page to build your email list. So there are different platforms you can use to create your landing page, so many of them. ClickFunnels, WordPress, Wix, ConvertKit, Canva, of course. Canva is super effective for lead generation to some extent because its capabilities are somewhat limited compared to specialized tools designed for lead collection and marketing. Canva is excellent if you're creating visually appealing designs or pages, and it works for lead generation if you incorporate it strategically into a large funnel like Mailchimp Kits. It's complicated. So there are a lot of platforms that you can use to create your landing page. But for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to be using ConvertKit, now known as Kits, to create a landing page for lead generation. And we're going to be using Canva to create a landing page where we're going to sell a digital product. Let's start with Canva, shall we? Once you log into your Canva account, just come to website. Here you have your blank canvas. Okay, you don't need a paid or a pro Canva account to create your landing page. This is the template I want to use, and I'm going to show you how I got it. All you need to do is just to come here where you have templates and just scroll through all of these templates, choose the one that suits your need. But while I was designing the wait list for VASP Wave 2, by the way, register for VASP. The link is in the description and in the pinned comment. So you choose the template you want to use here. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to stick with this. Okay, so the first thing I want to do now is to delete all of this. I do not need them. What I normally do is if a particular template doesn't have the things I need, I combine like two templates, which I'm going to be doing now. I'll be getting elements from my other templates to add to this. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is to add my text. Come to where you have text. I am creating a wait list for VASP. I'm just going to create this landing page for wave 3. There's no wait list though. Okay, so this is my text. I'm going to reduce the font size and change the fonts as well. This is Canvas. I'm going to change the font to, I'm going to change it to, let me change the font to, which font am I going to use here? I'm going to change it to popping. Let me see what popping looks like. All right, let's use popping. Okay, so I'm going to reduce this. So the next thing I want to add now is my logo. So to add yours, you just come to upload, click on upload an image or video and upload your logo. Okay, that's where you can get your logo from. So this is the logo for VAS. So I'm just going to keep it here. All right, so the next thing we want to add is our text. I'm just going to take this off. I'm just going to add my text here. Let's delete this image. I want to use my picture there before we add our CTA. So to add your picture or to add an image, whatever you want to add, you do the same thing. You come to upload and upload your image. All right. Okay, so here I have my picture. The next thing we want to add is our CTA, which is super important. So to do that, I'm just going to come to elements. I'm going to click on buttons. I'm going to use this cute button. I'm going to bring it down here. I'll increase it a bit. And then I'm going to copy this and type highlights and type
join the wait list. Okay, going to expand this. No, we're going to change. Let's reduce the font. It's too bad. In your face. This color is not my brand color. We're just going to leave it the way it is. Right, so let's leave it the way it is. You can change this color if you want. All you need to do is to click on it, come to where you have color, choose your color code, whatever color you want to use here. Okay, all right, so that's it for the first page, but we are not done. We're not going to leave our landing page like this. As I said earlier, I use different elements, I use different templates, so I'm just going to copy a particular element or elements that I need from the other templates that I use. This is what I wanted to go copy. I'm going to highlight it. I got this from another template from Canva. I'm going to drag this down. Yeah, don't drag my picture. Take this up. I'm going to change the color to, yeah, so it syncs with our button color. All right, so the next thing we want to do is our second page. We're not just going to leave it the way it is. Okay, to do that, you just click on add page and then you go ahead to design your second page. For the second page, what are we going to add? We're going to add more details about the program. What is virtual assistant simulation program? What's included in the program? Okay, so here we have the text. What is VA simulation program? What's included in the program? To get these boxes here, all you need to do is to come to elements, and then you can type checkbox, and then it will show you different options that you can use. You click on graphics. I normally like using graphics. Now the ones with the small crowns are for pro versions of Canva if you're using pro version, okay, but there are free ones, the ones with no paid icon, no crown on. You can use any of these. There are so many different icons that you can use. All you need to do is just to bring in your word here, key in the prompt, and Canva will generate what it thinks you need. All right, so that's it for the second page. Now you want to add another page. Click on add page again. I'm just going to bring in my text here because I don't want this video to be long. Okay, so I'm going to change the button to suit the color of our previous buttons. Okay, I'm going to change her outfit as well, but first, how do you get her? Okay, but before I answer that question, why the third page for my wait list has why join the wait list? Okay, this is the why. All right, I just wanted to add this. I would have easily just leave it the way it is, but I wanted to add a third page, okay, where it tells the people, or where it tells my potential students why they should join my wait list. You can add more pages. You can add a testimonial page, all right, if you want. I probably would do that if I'm creating another wait list, which I do not want to, right? I'm not sure I'm going to be doing that. I'm not sure I'm going to be doing that. So you want to subscribe to my channel, okay, so you stay updated. All right, something I need to show you before we talk about her is that you need to hyperlink this button. To do that, all you need to do is to click on the text, highlight it. As you can see here, I have my form, the waitlist form, but here you can either direct them to join a WhatsApp group where you've created a group for the waitlist, or you can create a form just like I did because I needed their email addresses as well, so you can do that. Okay, so let's talk about her. To change her color, or where to get her first, is to come to elements. You click on elements, key in the prompt. You can say a lady thinking. As you can see here, you have so many options to choose from if you are using a pro version of Canva, but this is super free, so you can use something like this. Okay, so yeah, that's how I got her. So I want to change her outfit, so I'm going to click on this color and choose the color of the button. I'm also going to change the color of the question mark to, yeah, the color of the button as well. All right, so everything syncs. All right, so that's how you design your landing page on Canva. So once you're done with your design, you've added your links, which is super important. You want to preview and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Normally, I do not resize for mobile. I don't do that. Don't add navigation button. All you need to do is just to click on, okay, this is what it looks like on laptop or on desktop. But if you want to see what it looks like on mobile, this is it. Nothing changes. That's why I don't like resizing for mobile. It still looks good the way it is. All right. The next thing you want to do is to publish your website, and then you have your landing page link using Canva. This is how you do it for free. You don't have to pay for nothing. So the next method we are going to use now is a platform. Is an email marketing platform called ConvertKit, or formerly called ConvertKit, but it's called Kit now. Just go to Google and type kit.com. Yeah, I have an account, so I'm just going to sign in. If you don't, just click on start free trial. But once your free trial is over, you want to downgrade your account, just open your Kit dashboard and downgrade your account. Okay, so once you are here, you want to come to where it says grow and click on landing pages and forms. Then come to where you have create new. You click on landing page. Here you have different options that you can choose from. These are all the templates. You can choose, you can untick all, and if you have something in mind, let's say a wait list, let me just untick all and click on wait lists. Let me untick. Okay, you click on wait lists. If it's a webinar landing page you want to create, just click on it. If it's an ebook, if it's a podcast, whatever you want to do, or just click on all and to show you all the templates. All right, so since we're doing wait list, I'm just going to leave this one right here. Okay, so these are different templates that you can choose from. You can preview any of it before you decide on which one you want to choose. See what it looks like before you make your final decision. So for the sake of this tutorial, we're not just going to beat around the bush, okay? We're just going to choose this one. Click on choose. You are chosen. You've been chosen. Okay. All right. So here we have our template. Okay. Here we want to change our text. We'll add our text here. Join the VA. Let me go and copy it. Because we're lazy. I agree. Alright, because we're lazy like that, we copy and paste VA simulation program third wave waitlist. Remember, there's no waitlist for third wave. Registration is up. So sign up with the link in the description and in the pinned comment where you get to learn more of these. Yay. And get equipped, because 2025 we know playing. We show up for ourselves. So you can add all the text you add here. You want to add here. This design might be a little bit different from what we have in Canva. Canva, we added different layers. Okay, so aside Kit, you can use system.io to create a landing page. Maybe I'll create a separate video for that one because I want it to be very, very detailed. You can add all your text here. We're not going to do that. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long. We're not going to do that. What I want to show you now is this place where you have email address. We don't just want their email addresses, okay? We want their names as well. So we're going to come here, this plus button, I'm sure you can see it. You click on it, and this other page is going to pop up. You want to click on custom field and click on first name. Now, another thing you need to take cognizance of is this box here where it says required. You want to tick on that one and make sure it's required. Okay, they have to add their first name. The email address is already required. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, so for the CTA, we want to change download, except you giving them a freebie. So but this is a wait list, it's not a freebie landing page. Okay, so here we want to say join the wait list. Okay, so how do we hyperlink this? You know, for Canva, you just need to highlight and then right click and then you see link, or the link icon will pop up and then you add your link. It's not the same thing for Kit. I'm going to show you how to do it. All you need to do next, now we have our first page, we have our landing page design checked. Okay, so all we need to do now is to come here where it says, oh, just click on save. Okay, make sure you click on save. All we need to do now is to come here where it says settings, but before that, let's preview it and see what it looks like. This is what our landing page looks like. Okay, so let's exit. Just wanted to show you that. All right, so you're going to click on settings, come to settings. Now if you click on save and publish your landing page, nobody is going to join your wait list. Nobody is going to get the form to fill for your wait list. Nobody is going to join your WhatsApp group if it's a WhatsApp group you're creating for yourself or for your client. This is going to be a total waste of time. So if you do that, it's not going to happen. So what you want to do now is to click on redirect to an external page. Now this is where you bring in your Google form link. This is where you bring in your WhatsApp link. Now we've added something there. I don't know what that is. We've added something there. We want to click on save, right? You want to click on save again, and then you click on publish. Now our landing page is live with the link, and then we're going to see what it looks like. Okay, so this is our landing page. This is what it looks like. I'm just going to key in my name here and my email address so I can see what we added there. Okay, this is what we added. So if it was a WhatsApp link, WhatsApp would have popped up. Yeah, the link I added there, I've probably had deleted it some years ago from my Google Drive. So that's how you create your landing page using Kit. Very basic, okay? There is more to learn about ConvertKit, this particular marketing tools. There are so many things you can use it for. The purpose of this tutorial was just to create a landing page. Make sure to sign up for the VA simulation program. The link is in the description, okay? So you learn more about this. Okay.
So that's a friend. Let me know in the comment section if this video was helpful to you and if there's any other video that you'd like me to create. By the way, this video was requested. Yeah. Okay. So let me know in the comment section if there are any topics you'd like me to cover, and I'll definitely do that as long as it aligns with the goal of the channel. We are going to do it. So kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any content on the channel. Make sure to like this video so it can reach a wider audience, and watch this video next. Bye, neighbor.